Well, today was the second of two treatments. First of all, we did a lot of repairs and cleaning, and today Multi-Man Services was back and they applied the Roof Maxx treatment, which is an oil base that rejuvenates your asphalt shingles. It makes them flexible and hopefully will extend their lifespan. But it was an interesting process to watch, and the roof looks great, and we'll see how it extends its lifespan. I got a 5-year warranty on this, which should add to the anticipated lifespan of the roof. And obviously this is a lot cheaper to recondition the existing roof than it is to replace it with a new roof. So we're very excited about the opportunity, been very, very happy with Multi-Man Services and Eddie, the owner, and the quality of services that they provide. I think a roof on this house would be at least $10,000 for a fairly basic 30-year asphalt shingle, and if you get something, fancy, you're going to be above that. Well, first of all, we've been aware of Multi-Man for a couple of years. Eddie did work for us 2 years ago when we had a real serious problem with mold on our siding, not to mention the typical dirt that accumulates in an extended period of time. So we had Multi-Man out. They did a wonderful job for us. They did the house, they did the deck. The mold is not only gone, our house is no longer green, but it stayed gone, and that was what we were promised, that this wouldn't need to be annual, it could be intermittent, because it is, and they did a great job. This year it's the roof. Our roof is turning black. Most people out there won't be surprised to hear that. And also it's 20 plus years old, so it needed some maintenance. So we asked Eddie to come out and take a look at it. He found a number of maintenance problems on the roof. He's going to work on those tomorrow, and then clean the roof good, get rid of all the mold. They found some lichen up there. You'd be shocked when you get up and take a look at your roof, what's been going on after 15, 20 years. Anyway, they're going to take care of all that, clean it good, and then they're going to be back in a few weeks, and we're going to try a oil-based product. It's a soy-based oil that is put into the shingles to replace the asphaltic oil that has dried out over the decades that have been up there. This is a way to not just clean, but to refurbish the roof to extend its lifespan.